this video, we will study the microscopy in cell studies. It's a really short topic, so this would be a quick video. Now, the first thing you need to know is calculating the actual image or the magnification. And in the exam, you would be given these three measurements. So in the exam, you would be given nanometer or micrometer, and you need to convert micrometer into millimeter or vice versa. Now, you cannot divide or multiply two units. You cannot divide micrometer with millimeter, or you cannot divide millimeter by micrometer. So when doing calculations, all measurements must be in the same unit. And in order for you to convert meter into millimeter, you multiply by 1000. When you're converting from larger to a smaller value, you multiply. So meter is big, millimeter is small, so you multiply by 1000. And when you need to convert millimeter into meters, you would usually divide by 1000. Now, when you want to convert 1 millimeter into micrometer, you would multiply by 1000. And if you want to convert 1000 micrometer into millimeter, you would divide by 1000. Suppose there was 5 millimeters and you would want to convert it into micrometer, then you would multiply this by 1000. The next thing we need to know is finding the actual image, the magnification, and the image size. In the exam, you would be given any of these two from these three values, and you need to find the third one. Suppose they gave you the actual image as 5 millimeters, and they gave you the magnification as 5. Magnification does not have a unit, so it would be just 5. So suppose they gave you 5 times the magnification and 5 millimeters, and you're asked to find the image size. What you would do is you would put your hand over the image size, and then you would multiply the actual image by the magnification. So the image size in this case would be 25. 5 times 5 would be 25. In this question, a bacteria cell is viewed under a light microscope. The actual length of the cell is 4 micrometers. Calculate the magnification. The equation is given, but if there was no equation, you would use this triangle. And they're asking for the magnification. So you're going to cover the magnification, and you would use the equation image size over actual image. The actual length of the image is 4 micrometers as stated here, and you need to find the actual length and the magnification. So in the question, they would give you a cell, and you would take your ruler and put it in the center of the cell and measure the distance between these 2 points, here and here. In this case, it's 5 centimeters. Now you would convert 5 centimeters into millimeters by multiplying by 10. So the image size now is 50 millimeters. But you cannot divide 50 millimeters by 4 micrometers, as I said earlier. So you need to convert 50 millimeters into micrometers. And in order for you to do that, you would multiply by 1000, because converting a smaller value to a bigger value, you would multiply by 1000. So 50,000 micrometers over 4 micrometers would give you the magnification as 12,500. The next thing you need to know is the difference between resolution and magnification. So resolution is the ability to distinguish between two separate points, and magnification is how many times you can enlarge an image. So you also need to know what's electron microscope or light microscope. So light microscope is very cheap and portable, and has low magnification and resolution compared to electron microscope. The reason for this is because of the wavelength, and the resolution and magnification depends on the wavelength. Light microscope uses light as the source of magnification and resolution, so the wavelength of light is very big. That's the reason the resolution and magnification is small compared to electron microscope, which is not portable at all, and it uses electron source to to find the magnification and resolution. Now, this one has a much better resolution and magnification compared to light microscope, and the reason for that is electron microscope uses very small wavelength. You also need to know the difference between electron microscope and light microscope. So electron microscopes are large. That means that they are not portable and they're not found everywhere, while light microscope is very portable and it can be found in labs and schools. Electron microscope magnification is over 500,000, while light microscope's magnification is 2,000. The resolution for electron microscope is 0.5 nanometers, and the resolution for light microscope is 200 nanometers. And in electron microscope, the specimens are usually dead, but in light microscope, the specimens can be living or dead.